All right, baby. What's the plan today? What are we doing? Where are we going?
Go to shop.
Oh.
Massage shop.
Okay. Well, why do I have to go with you?
You the owner, Daddy.
So?
You only sit in ad and you want me bring only money?
I want to sit on my ass and just have the money come in?
Yeah.
Well, you're the manager. I pay you.
No, you see money. 1 year and 6 months.
Well, hey, I gave you money yesterday. Remember I gave you 6 baht, the coins?
Yes, only 6 baht. Only coin you give me.
Yeah, well, because I don't want coins in my pocket or around the house. But you said the other day that you don't care if I don't have money. So you love me for love. Remember?
I know, but you have to understand. I manager, no money, no nothing.
Yeah, well.
Cook and clean.
Baby, when a man starts giving a woman money, that's why I don't give you no money, because then I won't know that you love me for me. So I can't give you money.
I know.
Yeah, money is the root of all evil. You didn't hear that?
I know that.
Yeah, I can't buy your love, baby. So,
Okay. I understand now.
That's all right. When you pay for food, we go to a restaurant, that shows me how much you really love me.
Yes, how much I love you. But sometimes love needs money to know that.
So if I give you money, that shows that proves that I love you?
Yes, you love me.
Okay. So if I give you money, that means I love you?
Yes, love too.
Love is money?
No, not love is money,
okay.
But love sometimes.
If we're together in maybe, I don't know, 20, 25 years, I'll give you some money. I promise.
Okay.
All right.
You mind?
Yeah, guys, what do you guys think? They think I'm playing around all the time. They think this is a skit, or we're acting. I'm not giving my money. Why? That makes no sense to me. A lot of y'all think, you got bills, you gotta pay her something. I like my money. All right, it's 9:47. Is this the earliest I come to the business? You come early sometimes.
Yeah.
Sometimes you come 5, 6 in the morning. I've never came this early.
I working hard for make your money.
Yeah, good. See,
For
good.
keep your money from business.
That's good, baby.
I not understand the work for what? No money, no nothing. Only love.
Yeah.
Okay.
That shows me you love me, baby.
Real love.
Yeah, that's real love, baby. So, you know what? I was thinking something. See, I think I don't want your mind fixated on money too much, because I think one day you get tired of me and you'll go to my bank and just steal all my money.
No, I cannot. Because I only take money in your account, but I cannot take out.
Why? Because I set it up with the bank that way.
Yeah,
But but if you want to take 1 day of money, the cash, you can take that and have a good life. you have 100 baht.
Now I have many money.
Yeah, you have your own money.
Yeah, I have
you don't need daddy
many
money. Yeah, that's all right. When you when you don't have money anymore, I'm gonna go to the building where all the old people living. If Thai have family who rich, and they put old lady and old man in, like 90-year-old, take care of them.
Yeah.
I'm gonna find me a 92-year-old wife, cause she have money. If your money go away,
I never do that.
yeah, you won't do it. I'm gonna do that. I'm always have to make a plan, baby.
No, not make plan about that. You can make the plan different, not the plan about
92-year-old lady have money.
I take care of you all my life.
But if you don't have money, baby, how you gonna take care of me?
Real love.
Real love, huh? Yeah, I have
You
real love.
understand? Real love. Nothing.
Yeah, guys, I don't drink coffee, but I'm in Tops in the corner of the business, and they have espresso, so I'm getting a triple shot. So I gotta wake up. Yeah, I don't know what this is gonna do to me, but we'll find out. No, I'm not a connoisseur, so I'm getting a cold one. Yes, please. It's not hot out, but give it a good hour. It'll burn. I had to give you some batteries. Of course, I'm cheap, so get some discount ones. You're not gonna find in the States batteries for $1.10. All right, let's get to the shop. Holly's already in there. So here's all my basket competition. Remember I was telling you guys about TT Exchange? They got some yellow black boots that look just like TT. Over here, don't be fooled. People out drink. God damn, man, it's 10 o'clock in the morning. I know you can do what you want with your life, but really? So Storybook Cow is waking up. All the shops are starting to wake up. Yeah, you get plowed down here. So luckily we didn't have to park the car here. It's where we usually park when we go to the business before the bought. You know, so early that there was parking right in front of the business. You know, Polly cheap as hell. She didn't want to pay no 40 baht to park every day. But I wouldn't either. That starts adding up. I definitely know that all our girls are not going to come down at 10 o'clock. As long as we got a couple of them, I'm cool with that. Polly gave some of them the option to start working at 7 if they want. She ain't demanding it, because you see people walking around and they're looking for anything to be open. And that's smart on her part. Let's see how many of my girls are sitting outside. Good morning. Yeah, they get ready early. Got 3 more upstairs, so we have to fire them, baby. We have to fire the girls. Oh, have customer upstairs?
Yes.
Oh, the light's on. That's how we know we have customer. All right, so we have 2 ladies sleeping. Yeah.
One lady, she stay outside, not come now. I don't know.
What do you mean she stay outside?
She stay outside. One lady make. Remember, she make the mouth.
Oh, she go with customer outside last night?
No, she not come already.
Oh, she don't sleep in the business?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Well, fire her ass. Right here about 10 o'clock, 10:15. So I'm joking, guys.
Not do that.
I don't know why this lady wants me out with her today. These are sidewalks you want to see. You won't bust your ankle open. What are you going inside for? Why are you going in the store? Why are you going inside the store? What you need?
My lipstick.
Ah, yeah.
If you look for me, I cannot make up myself. I don't know.
Where is it?
Yeah.
Okay. It's a man. You know, women, guys, they like to shop. We already know what we want. We get in, get out. $908 for what?
I want to buy something more.
You want to do what?
I like.
Yeah, yeah. Even after they pay, guys. Even after they pay, they need more stuff. Mascara, All the crap women they sell to women. This is nuts. A woman should never come out of her mouth ever in history and say that a man is fake. Yeah. You think a man is fake, tell them to wash their face. Everybody in the world asking for tip. Look, tip box here too. You guys know how I feel about that crap. It's gone too far in the States. Now they brought it out here. I'm having patience, guys. Girl want to go here, here, here. It is all right with me. I think I am getting used to being retired. I always think I have to be somewhere, but I have nowhere to be. Ain't no back streets here that are vacant.
You can carry here. I look the fridge.
So she bought some soup and she gets a free salad with it. Most of the time, Thai girls are fine with going places by themselves. They have transportation, but there's times they want to romanticize and have their man with them. She actually wants me to go everywhere with her all the time, but she doesn't push it. All day, every day, too many people lose their lives, but hopefully this is just a fender bender. No, someone's getting in the ambulance. Yeah, he's laying on the ground. And I'm not trying to be salacious or gory, guys. Just, me, like I always say, hopefully he had a helmet on. Got to be careful out here. Looks like this truck and a motorbike. Holding up traffic, but more importantly, this is life. If you can't stand up, it's most like it. If you can't stand up, it's most like an issue. Please be careful when you come out here, guys. Please. If you haven't ridden a motorbike in a while or a motorcycle, don't let this be your first time when you come out here. It's not worth it. I'm thankful it didn't come raining down in the nail salon. Thankful for something. Let's take a look. I'll show you guys another video. It's happening in the laundry room. It's coming from here.
Hello, boss หน่อยเนี่ยHello.
And it started raining, and he has to order the parts for the gutter. I'm going to do what I can do. Can't panic about nothing. Well, you gotta laugh at life. That's just the way it is. It's broken?
Not broke. Have to.
No, the aircon.
บ๊อบจะขึ้นไปดูข้างบนไหมคะ
This man do his work.
Daddy, you can go 3 for look him.
He's saying I'm gonna rip your ass off. I need big money.
ท่อนึงก็4 เมตรติด4 เมตร
I'm gonna charge you all the money in the world. That's the translation I'm
4
getting.
เมตรต้องซื้อตัว
Do I really have to say it? That's my luck. Why Paulie asked me, why do I never look stressed? If I stress, I'm retired. If I stress every time something happened, I would stay stressed. I can't stop the rain. I mean, the man's fixing it. You know, if you can't work in the rain. Yeah, I can't do nothing about that. He put a tarp over and he's still working on it. Hardly rains here, but when it rains, it rains. That's crazy.
Night room. I want to sleep here.
You sleep here?
Make the bed, no, Daddy, no.
Well, let's don't pay the rent this year for 1 year, and we can live inside here. Yeah, it's a pull-out bed.
I cook outside for
Yeah.
you see?
You can cook outside. This sofa pulls out for bed.
And the bed.
Yeah,
You sit eat here.
yeah. And if we have customer,
You
We-
eat and
no.
customer, You slide down here.
if we customer, we keep the bed. They can.
Yeah, up to the customer.
Yeah, it's no problem.
Not,
I agree. Yeah.
yes, thank you.
If we have a customer, we can still stay in the sofa bed. It's not bothering them. We're gonna do this ghetto style. Of course, it's the type of business when it's raining, you don't have any customers. No one's gonna take a walk or get on a motorbike to come to your business. So prepare for that too, guys. If you think about having, this type of business. Prepare for the unexpected. Not for everybody. But yeah, massage business seems easy until it's not. All right, guys, let me have the professionals handle it. He's getting somebody else, I believe, to help him bring some parts that he just ordered right now. But yeah, I can't sweat all of this. You can only deal with what you can deal with. It seems like I don't care. I very much care. Yeah, I care. But stress ain't gonna help me. Go ahead and feed these girls since they don't have any customers. I appreciate you watching, guys. We're gonna wrap this up now. Until the next video. Starts raining fast and it stops fast. I think that was about 30 minutes of rain. Sometimes life gives you lemons. Gotta make lemonade. Can't sweat the small stuff. There's always gonna be problems in life. As soon as it stopped raining, people start coming out like they were ditching and diving inside of, the restaurants or the bars or whatever. So as soon as we left out the door, that's cute. How many customers came in, baby?
3, Daddy.
There you go. So, phew.